Hello guys, flex ko lang ang Kelso Yellow Legged. Backyard breeding lang po. Tinula lines. 5 months old. Kelso Straight Comb Yellow Legged. Ito naman ang Kelso White Legged Straight Combs. 5 months. With Pollet Kelso Hini Yellow Legged. 5 months old. Tinula lines. Ito naman ang Peruvian with Black Hini and Kelso Hini pellet